Dito nag-rank game ako sa Classic tapos dito nakapitas agad ako ng dalawa. Tapos ang core namin dito si Lancelot Palo siya gumamit ng Lance Palubog. Dito pa lang lamang na kami kaso may mga kakampi ka talagang dark system kahit anong galing mo matatalo ka talaga. Tapos yung core nyo pang walang objectives ay talaga naman hahaha.
Why does the moon seem so warm to me?
You have slain an enemy. Enemy rampage. You have slain an enemy. Killing Killing spree. Ult is not ready. You have slain an enemy.
I'll give you a chance to join my fan club.
An ult is not ready. Ult is not ready. Double kill. Your team destroyed a turret.
Some guys.
Killing. Enemy rampage. Mega kill. Stop. Unstable network. Ally has been slain. You have slain an enemy.
Dito kaya pa sana ay def tapos biglang panira yung signal ko kahit naka-green naman ayun talo.
Kayo pa ba?